Hello and welcome back to another video. The topic of this video is I'm welcoming you to a new chapter in my life, and it's a website. It's a simple website. It's called mohammedrameezkaisar.com. I'll be walking you through on how you can use this website to your benefit and advantage. There are a few things that we are offering on the website: freelancers and service providers. We are offering a course, some free software that can help you become a better writer. So you struggle to explain what you do in a clear, confident way. Your website socials or messages feel okay but not persuasive. You want writing that actually gets you replies, calls and sales. So you don't need to be perfect in English. You don't need a big following. You just need a genuine interest in writing better and the willingness to practice and a little consistency. Practice consistently to achieve the kind of results that you're looking for. Secondly, if you're a student, then this course is for you. And people who are starting off, you overthink emails, reports, and LinkedIn posts. You're unsure if your writing sounds professional enough. You want simple methods to write faster and with less stress. And then we have for creators and new copywriters. You're interested in copywriting but don't know where to start. You're tired of random tips from YouTube and want a proper system. You want real examples, breakdowns, and practice, not just theory. And this is also for the coaches. You want better sales pages, landing pages, and DM scripts. Your content is valuable but doesn't convert into paid clients. You want a repeatable process for writing, offers people understand. And the course is divided into 5 modules. I'll be honest with you, I've recorded 4 modules and the 5th module is remaining. But if you enroll now, then you will get all those 4 modules along with the 5th and 6th module soon, so that you can launch your campaign or website with the help of the tools that we're providing in the website. You'll learn copywriting basics, writing fundamentals, practice everyday writing, website sales pages, editing and practice, and final project and next steps. What's included? Templates and simple frameworks, practice exercises and writing tasks, step-by-step video lessons, real examples, real breakdowns. Track your progress as you go. Lifetime access. This course will provide you with a lifetime access. You don't need to worry about that. You don't need advanced tools. For perfect English, you can read this page, you can follow the course and improve your writing. Who am I? I have thousands of students on Udemy, around over 2000 students, and the reviews are also publicly available. I'll show some of the reviews to you in the later part of the video. So I've launched 4 successful courses built from real struggles. I turned messy ideas into simple, repeatable systems. No fluff, just example templates and clear steps. I've been overwhelmed too, not born confident. So these are a few ideas that I generated and they've converted into successful products. I've checked over 1 million words through Grammarly.com. 4+ courses launched and 5+ years of writing experience. What students and creators are saying. These are some reviews of the successful students from Udemy. So this is the wall of love. Here is a list of all the positive reviews that we have received. Asad Ahmed says that a complete package for beginners. James Patterson says powerful connections about writing properly and efficiently. I am walking you through the website, and so you'll get the first lecture, and if you like the first lecture, then you can transition into, or then you can opt for purchasing the complete course. You don't need to purchase it upfront. You just need to view the first lecture, and then you can decide whether you want to purchase it or not. We have a simple JazzCash payment method. This is the JazzCash payment method, and these are my JazzCash details. You can send payment via JazzCash, transfer the course fees to JazzCash number 03322373087. Take a screenshot, send the screenshot on WhatsApp on the same number, and receive your course. You can go to WhatsApp as well, send screenshot on WhatsApp. Once you make the payment, you will receive the course within 2 hours of payment confirmation. Fast delivery, secure payment, WhatsApp support. We will also provide you with WhatsApp support. Me and my team will take you through the entire process, and if you don't understand anything, then we'll help you out as well. These are the tools that we are offering. Rameez writing application and Nodemaster. You can download them from here. If you are using a Windows laptop or a computer, then you can easily download them for Windows over here. These are the tools, and they really help you in writing flawlessly and in a better way. We still have to update the blogs. These are a few dummy blogs that we have put on the website, and they'll be updated soon. This is the featured course section and high demand skill pen course. You will click over here, come on this page and buy now. Then you will sign up with your email address and it will direct you to the JazzCash page. This is the course that we are offering at the moment. We'll be updating this section soon. So let's look at some frequently asked questions. Is this course for beginners? Yes, this course is made for people who don't see themselves as writers. Yet we start from the basics of clarity, structure and simple frameworks. Then move towards copywriting and content. You just need basic English and a willingness to practice. Do I need perfect English or advanced grammar? I don't think you need perfect English or advanced grammar. I'll just briefly go through them. How long will the course take to complete? If you go at a normal pace, you can complete the core lessons in a few weeks. But the idea is not to rush. You can move at your own speed, stop, rewind, and revisit lessons whenever you want. It's built to fit around a busy life. What format is the course in? The course is hosted on an online learning portal. You'll get step by step video lessons, written summaries, examples, and exercises. You can log in from any device, mark lessons as complete, and track your progress. Will I get personal feedback on my writing? That depends on the plan you join. The core course gives you frameworks, examples, and practice tasks you can use on your own. So this is the frequently asked questions. You can go through them. So you can also get my free writing guide and join the newsletter. You just have to put in your email address and we're like working on this section as well. And we'll provide you with a free ebook that will help you become a better writer. So I guess I've covered everything as far as the website is concerned, and I'll see you in the next. Take care and have a nice day.